Hi guys, tingnan nyo to oh. Ito yung gusto. Ganda niya oh. I'm not sure what it is pero